Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus B1502CB. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found yourself with a cracked screen on your Asus B1502CB, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to accidental drops or pressure on the device, and it can severely hinder your ability to work properly. Ignoring this problem might lead to further damage, such as internal component failure or display issues, so it's best to address it as soon as possible. To complete this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a suction cup, and of course, a replacement LCD screen for your Asus B1502CB. Let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the internal components. Next, use the plastic prying tool to carefully work around the edges of the screen, releasing any clips that hold it in place. Once you've loosened the screen, you can see the connectors that attach it to the motherboard. Take your Phillips screwdriver and remove any screws securing these connectors. Make sure to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them for reassembly. Gently disconnect the cables, taking care not to pull on them too hard, as this could cause further damage. Now, you can remove the cracked screen and replace it with a new LCD. Position the new screen and reconnect the cables in the same order you disconnected them. Tighten the screws securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can strip the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, carefully replace the screen and press down firmly to ensure it's seated correctly. After this, power on your device to check if everything is functioning properly. If the display works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your Asus B1502CB. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case for your device, and be mindful of where you place it to avoid accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.